This is Dr. Richard Balikian, facial plastic surgeon from San Diego, California, and this is the OR Masterclass on the cellular repair protocol from ELIXIR MD. Our patient has just gone through a full facial rejuvenation, including brow lift, blepharoplasties, a deep plane preservation facelift, a neck lift, fat transfer, and laser. And immediately we're going to get started on making sure her road to recovery is fast and easy. We're going to do that by using a yellow light based protocol, that's the cellular repair. And what that's going to do is going to work on the smooth muscles of the lymphatic vessels to open them up so we can immediately start expressing out all the excess fluid and waste and proteins out of the area of surgery. That's going to be helpful in getting an anti-inflammatory response so that we can really speed up the recovery as much as possible.